Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1911, several men went to Phoebus and did not return until 9 p.m. the following day. Their anxious wives kept the phone lines busy while trying to locate their missing husbands. Upon their return, the men promised that they would never do that again. This week in 1920, Earl Gregg Swem, librarian of William and Mary, exhibited a book of poems published by William Parks, the first printer in Williamsburg. The 1736 publication was believed to have been owned by George Washington. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.